Today, I want to get personal, not just tell you how AI helped me earn money, but what the entire journey taught me. It's been a wild ride, from confusion to clarity, trial to triumph. Using AI tools has completely reshaped the way I think about work, income, and creativity. So whether you're just curious or considering diving in yourself, this is my real experience. The good, the bad, and what no one really talks about. Let's get into it. 1. Getting started wasn't as easy as it looked. I'll be honest, when I first saw videos about people making money with AI, I was skeptical. It seemed too easy. Just use ChatGPT and boom. Money, they said. But the truth? It took me time to figure things out. I had to experiment, testing tools, making mistakes, understanding what people actually want. For example, I tried creating AI art to sell online. Cool idea. But I quickly realized the competition was tough, and just having a tool didn't guarantee success. I needed strategy. So lesson 1, AI is powerful, but it's not magic. You still have to learn the game. 2, AI supercharged my creativity. Once I got the hang of it though, wow. AI didn't just save time. It sparked ideas I never would have thought of. I used tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Canva AI to brainstorm business names, write product descriptions, and design graphics. What would have taken me hours took minutes. But here's the key. AI works best when you bring your own human touch. I always add my voice, my twist, my style. That's what made my content stand out. And that's what people paid for. 3. Niching down was everything. In the beginning, I tried to do everything. Copywriting, video scripts, thumbnails, social media posts, you name it. But I was spread too thin, and clients didn't know what I specialized in. So I picked a lane, AI-powered YouTube scriptwriting. That changed everything. It made marketing easier. I built a portfolio. People started recommending me. Suddenly, I wasn't just a freelancer using AI. I was an expert in one valuable thing. So if you're starting, ask yourself, what niche can you own? And use AI to dominate. 4. Passive income is real, but not instant. One of the biggest breakthroughs was using AI to build digital products. I created an AI-generated ebook, Notion templates, a small email course. And while it took effort up front, once those were done, they started earning on autopilot. But here's what no one tells you. The real work is in marketing. If you don't promote your stuff, it just sits there. So I learned SEO, email marketing, and even how to use AI to write ad copy. Now, those same products are still bringing in money, even while I sleep. 5. It's not just the tools, it's the mindset. AI taught me more than skills. It shifted how I think. Before, I thought success meant grinding nonstop. Now, I focus on working smarter, leveraging tools, delegating to software, freeing up time. More importantly, it gave me confidence. I realized I don't need to be an expert in everything. I just need to be a curious learner with the right tools. 6. The pitfalls no one talks about. Let's keep it real for a moment. AI won't make you rich overnight. There's still learning curves, algorithm updates, market saturation, and people who want cheap results fast. At one point, I burn out saying yes to everything. So I had to create boundaries. Raise my rates. Say no to bad fit projects. Lesson? Just because AI makes things easier doesn't mean you have to do more. Use it to build a business that fits your life, not just your wallet. So, what did I really learn from making money with AI? That it's not about replacing humans. It's about enhancing who you already are. If you're thoughtful, curious, and committed, these tools can open doors you never imagined. And if you're still on the fence about jumping into the AI world, I say start small. Pick a tool, play around, build something. You don't need permission. You just need to begin. If this inspired you, hit that like button and subscribe for more no-fluff insights on making money with tech. I'll see you in the next one.